All right, let's choose some numbers we can plug in for x to complete this table. Now, you could choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose numbers that are divisible by 3. That way I will avoid fractions or decimals. And I'm choosing divisible by 3 because I see a 3 as a denominator. Whenever you plug numbers in for x, you're going to need to multiply by 1 and then divide by 3. And if the number is not divisible by 3, you're going to get a decimal. So I'm going to choose 0, 3, and 6. Those are all divisible by 3. If I plug 0 in for x, here, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 divided by 3 is 0. So then you're just going to have 0 plus 4, which is 4. So we got that out of the way. Then I'm going to plug in 3 in for x. 3 times the 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now we'll just have 1 plus 4, which is 5. Next number I plug in is 6. And we're going to plug it in here. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So then 2 plus 4 would give us 6. So I believe I've completed my table. I'm going to check by seeing how the value of x and the value of y change over time. X looks like it's increasing by 3 each time. 0 to 3, 3 to 6, that goes up by 3. The y is increasing by 1. And then to figure out the slope, the rate of change, we can take the change in y and divide by the change in x. So it'd be 1 divided by 3. That is 1/3. So we know we're right. So now we can actually, and we can find more ordered pairs, and you can check to see if you had some of these. I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to use 9 now because I'm going up 3. Well, that means the y is going to increase by 1, so it needs to be 7. 9, 7 would work. 12, 8, 15, 9. And then we can go backwards. So let's say this was -1 here. Well, then, actually, we wouldn't use -1. We would use -3. We want numbers that are divisible by 3, so -3. And then that would be 3 here because the y would be going down 1. So -3, +3 would work. Another ordered pair would be -6, +2.